Dear children, our next chapter is fiber to fabric. In this chapter, we will learn about history of clothing, plant fibers, making fibers. Fibers. Fibers are used to make a cloth or fabric. There are two types of fibers, natural and synthetic. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources such as plants or animals. Examples for natural fibers are plant fibers and animal fibers. Plant fibers we get from plants. Example, cotton and jute. And the animal fibers that we get from animals. And the example for animal fibers are wool and silk. In this picture you can see cotton, wool, silk, polyester, nylon, etc. And synthetic fibers are made from chemical substances. Nylon and polyesters are examples of synthetic fibers. In this chapter, we will learn about plant fibers. Cotton and jute are examples of plant fibers. Cotton fibers are obtained from the cotton plant. This plant requires a warm climate with moderate rainfall and grow well in black soil. How we obtain the cotton fibers? Just look at the picture. In that picture, we can see how the cotton fibers are obtaining. What is that process? What are the processes including for getting cotton cloths from cotton fibers? First process, the fibers are obtained from the fruit called bole of the cotton plant. When the bole matures, it splits and exposing seeds covered with the raw cotton fibers. The heat of the sun dries these fibers and the dried bolls are harvested. So the first process, harvesting of the cotton ball. After harvesting, the cotton fibers are separated from the seeds. The process of separating cotton fibers from seed is called ginning. Next, the fibers are cleaned and spun into long yarn or thread. So the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. It is done using spinning machines or tools such as hand spindle and spinning wheel. spinning wheel we call charka, and hand spindle we call talki. So then the yarn is used to make fabric. So the process, first process, the harvesting of cotton ball, then it is the next process, it is a ginning. After ginning, the process spinning. After the process spinning, we will get yarn. That yarn is used to stitch the fabric. And the uses of cotton fibers are, it is made to variety of cloths, bed sheets, towels and napkins. Next is jute. Next plant fiber is jute. Jute fibers are obtained from the jute plant. This plant grows well in a variety of soil types and in regions that receive a lot of rain. How we obtain the jute fibers? We will see. Fibers are obtained from the stem of the jute plant. They are naturally glued together by sticky substance which needs to be removed in order to get the fibers. How we will remove the sticky substances? This is done by keeping the stems in water, which rots them and loosen the fibers. The process of separating fibers from stem is called retting. Then the loosened fibers are stripped from the stems, washed and dried. In this way, we will get jute fibers. And what are the uses of jute fibers? It is mainly used to make ropes, mats, bags and furnishing materials. In this picture, you can see the jute plant and how they are removing jute fibers from the jute stem. I hope you understood this topic.